Hi, I'm Kyle from Wicked Edge. Today's video is about the jaws for 1/4 inch blades, which are compatible with any Wicked Edge cam lock vise. The stock jaws on the cam lock vise will accommodate about 95% of knives out there, but every once in a while there's a really thick knife that has a really thick spine that's not going to fit in them. So we created these jaws so you can change them out to clamp your really thick blades and sharpen them in your Wicked Edge knife sharpener. Today's video I'm going to show you how to make that change out on your sharpener. So to demonstrate why you might want to use these jaws, this here is a chopping knife and it's just over 3/16 of an inch thick. And as you can see, it just won't even fit in the standard jaws that come with a cam lock vise. So in order to clamp a knife like this, you would need to change out your jaws for the jaws for 1/4 inch blades. So to change out your jaws, it's actually a very simple process. You're going to take your cam lock vise and make sure it's open. And to make sure it stays open, you can take your lever and rotate it back like so. And now the jaws can't close themselves as you're working with it. Then take your Wicked Edge depth key and then pinch your jaws together right where the pens are, and you can see these pens right here on the sharpener. With these pinched together, go ahead and use the depth key to push out the pens, and while continuing to pinch, remove the pens. Then remove both jaws. The reason you want to pinch them together is because inside of here there's a spring and a small piece of foam, and you want to retain those because you're going to need them when you change out for the jaws for 1/4 inch blades. This is the little piece of foam here, and this is the spring. So get your jaws for 1/4 inch blades, and these do look very similar to the standard jaws, but they are etched with 1/4 there on them so you can tell them apart. The first thing to do is put your spring into the little pocket in the jaws. So what you do is you just press there. It's a very tight fit, and it's designed to be that way, so you just have to press the spring in until you feel a little click. And then on the opposite one, it helps to push them together and slightly twist, and that'll get the spring inside of both. Then I like to open the jaws up like this, and then the piece of foam gets inserted just below the spring. Now, with them, continue to pinch them together, reinsert them into the vise. Line the holes in the jaws up with the holes in the sharpener's vise, and replace the pens. Now your jaws are changed out, and you won't have any trouble clamping that really thick blade of yours. Thanks for watching. The jaws for 1/4 inch blades are available at wickededgeusa.com.